Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix crashing in Rust. So I'm just going to share with you what I've tested myself and what worked for me, and I hope it's going to work for you as well. So let's jump right into the video. So what I have done to fix this problem is very simple. So head over to Windows Update, and here make sure you update your Windows. Usually this will really fix the problem. So click on Advanced Options, click on Optional Updates, and here make sure you click on Driver Updates and make sure you check all these boxes here, and then you click on Download and Install. Okay, that's what you have to do. This is the first method. Now the second one is head over to GeForce Experience and make sure you install the drivers that you need in order to run the game properly. So click on drivers and here click on Download. Okay, you see here, click on Download, and this will install the latest driver for you if that's. And also make sure you go to Device Manager and you update your display. This problem is usually related to crashing, related to drivers, but now there are other programs, other apps that can interfere with the game, or you can also, the antivirus can prevent the game from working. So make sure you also click on antivirus and then virus, manage settings, and here scroll down and add removal and add the exclusion. Okay, just add the game. So click on add an exclusion and just select go where the game is located for you. For me it's in a different location, but for you it might be different. So that's why just click on add here and add the not the file, the folder where the game is located. And that's pretty much it. That's how I solved the problem. I hope it's gonna work for you. I hope, please leave your results in the comment section. I'm really curious to see if this worked for you as well. And also make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching and take care.